Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the budget beat. We are going to be getting cute for the low. I have some new drugstore makeup, some old drugstore goodies, and yeah, I'm just going to be working with some of this stuff I have in front of me to get this face. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure you keep on watching, and remember that I do link everything down in the description box for you to check out. So yeah, here we go. So first things first, the affordable brushes that I'm using in today's video are the BH Cosmetics 9-piece marble set. I don't remember how much they cost, but I know it's like around $20 something, and I will link that down in the description box for you guys to check out, as well as the Sonia Kashuk sponge. I'll be using that for my face today too. These are both affordable options, so yeah, no need to spend so much on brushes. So of course I'm starting off with primer. I'm using the Maybelline New York Master Prime. This is the blur and pore minimize one, and it has the number 400 on it, so that'll be useful. I don't know how new this is, but I just got it and I'm trying out for the first time. It reminds me of these Smashbox primers. Well, just the packaging. And it has the same consistency as this one. Ooh, it's very silicone. Wow. Wow. I see some blurring done up in here. So for brows, I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pomade in the shade 380 Deep Brown. I did that off camera just to speed up things, but yeah, I really like the outcome of it. I have a whole review on the pomade on my channel. I'll link it in the cards up above. Alright, so next I'm going in with foundation, and the foundation I'm using today is the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear. Freshwear. It's in the shade 525, which I believe is deep golden. I think this shade is a little bit darker than me, just a little bit though. It'll be fine most definitely in the summertime when I get a little darker, but right now it's just a hint too dark. It's a hint too dark. See, just a hint, and it might not even be that it's too dark. The undertone may just be funny. I only used one pump of that foundation and it just went on flawlessly. It does smell like laundry detergent to me, like that fresh powdery clean smell. I don't mind it at all, and it is called Freshwear, but yeah, my only con would probably be the color. But I think this is the closest color that they have to match my shade, but yeah. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with some contour. I don't know if I want to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, what is this called? More Than Concealer, or the foundation stick to contour. I feel like I like the look of the stick a little bit better. It has a creamier consistency, of course, because it's a foundation stick. But I think I want to use this one. And I'm going to go light with this because this espresso is definitely darker than this espresso. Definitely darker. So as y'all can see, that's a really light contour. Like, I just put a little bit because I'm just going to class and it ain't no need to be full face beat up in class. Okay, so I'm going in with the Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Honey, which I do like this concealer. I wish the shades were a little better. This is more neutrally than I expected it to be, and it's the only shade that I feel like would do me justice in the whole highlight phase. But yeah, I feel like the shades could be a little tweaked. I love the way this concealer blends out. It's super like pretty. It's still full coverage. And it doesn't feel too dry underneath my eyes. I really like this concealer. Again, I need them to do something with the shades in the descriptions because this is not really, to me, a golden undertone. It's neutral to pink. So next I'm going to go in with some setting powder. Today I'm using the HD Flawless by Absolute New York setting powder. And it's in the shade Brightening Banana. I found this at TJ Maxx, but it is on Amazon and it's like $9.95 I think. But I found it at TJ Maxx for like $5. And I didn't have any expectations of this, but y'all, it's a pretty good powder. And it doesn't have any flashback either. As you'll probably notice, I'm not going heavy on the products today. I'm trying to keep it simple. I'm wiping this away with a powder brush. Alright, so now to add some warmth, I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics brush in the number 4. This is, I guess, the closest thing that I can use for a contour because I want to use this one for blush. But maybe I could use, I'm using number 2 because I'm going to use it for both because that's just the type of person that I am. So I'm using the Morphe Glamabronze in the shade Phenom to bronzen me up a little bit. If y'all see this little mark right here, that's not foundation or concealer or anything. This is a mark from a pimple I had some weeks ago. Now with the same brush, I'm going to add some color to my cheeks. And I'm using the Serafina brush from Juvia's Place, which I consider Drugstore to be anything in the Ulta, on the left side of Ulta at my Ulta, that you can use the coupon for. And since you can use the coupon for this, it's Drugstore to me. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Masterchrome metallic highlighter in the shade 200, and I'm just going to add some highlight. This highlight is super natural looking, and I really like that for the days that I don't want to be over glowy. Like, I don't want like a super beaming highlight. I really like how natural this looks. I'm setting my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. This spray on this is very heavy, so like try to get that arm extension way back. It's just so much. Ooh, but it smells good. So today I'm using the Wet n Wild VI Purple. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, VI Purple eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this one yet, but I did use the Not Playing It Safe one in the Wet n Wild video that I did, and it was very good quality. I was very impressed because these are only like $5, I think. So yeah. So going in with my BH Cosmetics Marble Brush number 5, I'm going to dip into one of these transition shades on the end and put that in the crease. So I think I'm going to start deepening the crease with this shade right here. It looks like a cool tone purple shadow. Next, I want to take this duochrome purple right here and just place that all over the lid. Again, just blending that all out with the number 6 brush once again. This palette is really good for the price. Really good. Now I'm going in with this NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So now I'm taking these Kiss lashes in the style Teddy. This is from their Triple Push-Up collection. And I'm just going to pop those on. I'm taking the number 6 brush again, and I'm dipping into that cool tone purple shadow we used earlier. right here. And I'm going to go on the lower lash line with that. Now for some mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous in the shade Carbon Black. And I'm going to just put that on my bottom lashes today. For lips today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Pencil in the shade, what is it, dark brown. Okay, instead of this Infallible matte paints, which I wouldn't recommend, I don't like the formula of it, and it might have been old and that's why it was on sale. I don't know. I used the e.l.f. Alyssa Ashley gloss in the shade Nude Rose. I think it's only one instead, so this is way cuter for the look I'm going for anyways. Yeah, so that is it, my loves. I appreciate you for watching my drugstore affordable makeup look. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so, hit the notification bell so that you can be reminded each and every time that I post a video. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.